Welcome to New Orleans Way of Life. Hello everyone, my name is Alan and I'm coming to you from this beautiful city of New Orleans. Come join us sometime. Enjoy the sights and the people and the food and just the culture of the city. It's a beautiful historical city. Today we're doing a bead unboxing from Golden Age Beads and also from AliExpress. First off, we have these check glass beads, teardrop shapes. And I ordered them in 4 different colors. And I have a sapphire blue, I have champagne, and a light sapphire blue, and these garnet colored red beads. They're really, really deep. They almost look like they're black. But if you hold them up to the light, if you get some light shining on them, you see that beautiful red color in there. Now these are gonna have got my imagination going as far as how to use them. But they're a beautiful little teardrop shape, drilled side by side near the point. So, not sure. I may do some threaded beadwork with them, or I may use them on chainmail pieces. I may use them as on cha-cha bracelets. Any number of ways of using them. But they have my imagination going, because I love a challenge, and that's what they're going to give me, is a challenge. I also ordered lobster clasps in 2 standard colors, which are the silver and the gold. And then, and these are quite popular, are these black agate beads. They're 8 millimeter, and a nice long strand of them. I'm finding myself having to order more and more and more and more. So, but they're a beautiful polish on them. And then I ordered these check glass beads in the flower shape. And excuse my fingers, but I'm terrible with these little Ziploc bags. I'm an old man. But I got them in this beautiful purple color. And then I also ordered, because I love the shape, because these are going to be so beautiful in earrings, dangles off of bracelets. Any number of things can be done with these. But I got them in this beautiful pink color, and this fuchsia pink, and then this deep blue. I love the shape. And check glass, I mean, there's so many different beads that are made, and I'm just enjoying looking through the catalogs on different sites and everything for to order. And when I saw these, I just fell in love with them. And I might add, Golden Age Beads has a great selection of beads. Gemstone, glass, check glass, findings, tools, everything. Oops, forgot one. Like I said, my hands are clumsy with these little Ziploc bags. Then I got these ceramic beads, and I just love ceramic beads. I love the glaze. The glaze and the color on these are just wonderful. They lend themselves great for either they're a little bit heavy for a bracelet, but they still can be a great focal bead on a bracelet. They probably lend themselves better to a necklace or something like that, or even keychains. It'll be interesting to see. Then I had to get more crimp beads, or tube beads rather, and these come in this tray comes in 3 different colors and 2 different sizes. Sorry about the glare off the plastic. But it has a nice little twist top, so you can just go straight to the particular crimp tube that you need. So, and then it closes up and has a nice tight seal. Then Golden Age Beads threw in these as a freebie, and they're a ceramic matte cornflake shaped bead. It was a little bit of a surprise to me, so I'll have to find something to do with these here, whether it be on bracelets as a spacer bead or necklaces, something like that. So, I'm sorry. But they're a nice matte finish, and they're a good color. That color can go with so many different things. So, and that's it for the Golden Age beads. Now I also have some items that I ordered from AliExpress, and I love AliExpress because of how they handle orders and stuff like that. Yeah, they are coming over from China, and they do take a long time to get here. Okay, but sometimes they're a lot faster. It all depends on customs. Customs is what holds up the shipments on these things, because AliExpress sends them out right away within a day or so. And if you have orders from several different stores together, what they'll do is each store will package up their own order that you placed with them, and then they send them off to a central location where AliExpress combines the shipments together. So, and I only had one order where they split up the two shipments, and it's probably because the store owner took a little bit too longer on one of the orders. So, but I ordered from 3 different stores for this particular order, and I only ordered a small quantity because I was after specific things, because I wanted to try to take care of a situation with some beads, because I ordered before I ordered some rose gold focal beads, and they were sterling silver with rose gold plating on them. So I was looking for findings for rose gold, and it's a little bit tough to do. I searched and searched, and I came across these lobster clasps, which I need for bracelets and necklaces. And then, and I'll show you something. The difference, rose gold is a different thing, because from store to store, the color is different for the rose gold. So you got to be very careful about it. But I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Oops, that was the tag, not the Ziploc opening. I ordered jump rings, of which I use a lot of jump rings. And especially if I'm going to be using lobster clasps, I need a jump ring to go with them also. But you can see the difference in the color. And then the difference, both of those against the difference on a focal bead charm. So you can see the difference in the 3 different colors of rose gold. Everybody's interpretation of rose gold, I guess it is what it is. So, but I ordered the jump rings, and I ordered the lobster clasp because I really needed them to go with these, because I just love these focal charms for bracelets and even necklaces. They're beautiful, because several of the stores with AliExpress carry these charms, and they're just beautiful. And this one here, you know, the letters say Mom, and they have some nice little rhinestone on the O in the Mom. I also, here, let me get these out of the way. I also, well, I have a felt covering over my table here, so that things don't go rolling on me. So, but unfortunately things snag on it too, like the jump rings. I also got 3 other charms here, along with the because I've fallen in love with these things. But anyway, this one here, it's a beautiful heart with some dangle feathers and a little green rhinestone in there. And then this one's so cute. Let's see if I can get this thing open here. Sorry about that. But like I said, I'm an old man. And Ziplocs don't like me. But this one here, it has a female figure holding her cat and a bunch of little enamel hearts around. It's in a heart shape. And you can see how big the holes are on these charms. But I just love that. It's beautiful. And then, last but not least, this beautiful flower with the red rhinestones in it, and clear rhinestone in the center there. I just love this bead. This reminds me of my grandmother. I wish my grandmother was still alive, because I'd be making her jewelry with flowers, because she had a beautiful, absolutely beautiful garden, and she loved roses and daffodils, gardenias, even orchids back before orchids were so popular to raise. She had gotten an orchid that someone had received, and it was failing in health, and she, without having any knowledge, just brought that orchid back, and it bloomed every year for her. She just had a way. So, but anyway, now that I just got a little emotional there, that's it for today. And thank you for joining me here. And I hope you enjoy your time. Now, I want you to understand, with AliExpress, if you order from them, they ship them out fast. The big thing with them, why it takes so long, is because of customs. Because once it gets over here to the U.S., and it only takes less than a week to get here from China to the U.S. Customs. And Customs is the one that holds things up before they release it to the shipping to finish the delivery on the order. And they can take anywhere from, I had an order I received within 3 weeks, and then I had one that took almost 60 days to get to me. But I've received every order that I ordered, and there is really no problem as long as you don't mind waiting, because it is a little bit of wait, and you just don't want to be in a hurry, or you want to order way ahead of when you're going to need it. So, but rest assured, AliExpress is an excellent service and everything, and they have so many different stores on their site, and so many of them have great items. Now, like I said with the rose gold, it's hard between the stores. It's hard if you order from one store and are able to order all your findings from one store for the rose gold. You might be able to get a better matching of the color, because I'm sure they would make sure of that. So anyway, thank you for joining me today. And I hope you enjoy your time. Be careful out there. And definitely stay healthy. Thank you. If you like our videos, hit the like button. And if you want to see future videos, hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and welcome to New Orleans Way of Life.